Hello and welcome back to Vidyarthee Education. In today's video, we are going to know about the case between Rooh Afza and Dil Afza and what is a strong trademark. Now before we start, here you can see there are more than 90% of viewers who haven't subscribed to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's get started. On December 21st, the Delhi High Court in the case of Hamdard National Foundation versus the Sadar Laboratories Pvt. Restrained Sadar Laboratories from manufacturing and selling beverages under the impugned trademark Dil Afza. The court observed that the trademark Rooh Afza is prima facie a strong mark requiring a high degree of protection as it has acquired immense goodwill. Now what is prima facie? It is based on the first impression or accepted as correct until proved otherwise. So it is basically the first impression. So what is a trademark? A distinctive sign or indicator used by the business organization to distinguish its products or services from those of the other entities. It serves as a badge of origin, exclusively identifying a particular business as a source of goods or services. Now the trademark infringement is the unauthorized usage of a sign that is identical or deceptively similar to a registered trademark. Now what is the dispute between Rooh Afza and Dil Afza? The manufacturers of Rooh Afza moved an appeal against the rejection of its application seeking an interim injunction against the Sadar Laboratories Pvt. For their product Dil Afza. The appellant stated that the trademark Rooh Afza is highly reputed mark and the design of the product Dil Afza is deceptively similar to the get-up and trade dress of the appellant's product. So what was the court's verdict? A division bench of the Delhi High Court restrained the respondent from manufacturing and selling any product under the trademark Dil Afza till the final disposal of the trademark infringement suit. The court held that it is not difficult to conceive that a person who looks at the label of Dil Afza may recall the label of Rooh Afza, as the word Afza is common and the meaning of words Rooh and Dil when translated in English are commonly used in conjunction. What is a strong trademark? A mark is said to be strong when it is well known and has acquired a high degree of goodwill. The degree of protection of any trademark changes with the strength of the mark. In simple words, the stronger the mark, the higher the requirement to protect it. Now Rooh Afza requires more protection as it is more likely to be subjected to piracy by those who seek to draw an undue advantage of its goodwill. So what were the court's rationales? The impugned trademark Dil Afza has a phonetic similarity with Rooh Afza. The English meaning of the words Rooh and Dil, the fact that the heart and soul is commonly used phrases, provides a common conceptual background. Thirdly, the trade dress of the impugned trademark, which consists of bottle shape, design, the placement of housemark, colorfully busy design of the label, are the material contributors to the commercial impression of the competing trademark. Lastly, the value of the product was taken into consideration as well. The court held that as the product is a low-priced consumable item, the average customer would not deliberate on the details of the product as one would do while taking a high-value investment decision. So this was all about the case between the Rooh Afza and Dil Afza and what a strong trademark is. Do not forget to join us on all our social media sites. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay curious.